Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the AI extensions for the VS Code which helps you in your coding. So let's get started. So which are those? So first one, that is the Cline. If you go to the VS Code, you have to type the Cline, you will get that one. Okay. So here if I add Cline, okay, so it will give that you extensions. So this is the client. I haven't installed it. I have installed it. So this is the client and see the number of downloads. So you have to install this one. Okay, if I restart this extension, so this is the this one, right? This is the free extension. So you definitely it will help you to 40 to 50% of in your code, and this inbuilt extension for the VS Code. Okay, the next one. Okay, that is the Codeium. So let's check this one also, the Codeium and the Windsurf. Okay, so Codeium, yeah, this is Windsurf. And the Windsurf plugin, formerly Codeium, AI coding, the modern coding superpower, free AI coding acceleration plugin for your favorite languages. Type less, code more, ship faster. So make sure, I haven't like installed and worked on it, but it's a free tool. You should have a try of it. Okay. Next one, that is the Continue.dev. Okay, so let's try this one, plugin AI model. So there is, this is Codely, not Continue. Yeah, this is the leading open source AI coding agent, but the downloads are pretty much, but the okay, this ratings are less. So try this one. This agent also, what they are trying to do. Okay, this agent will also work on it. Okay, so try this one, Continue in your VS Code extensions. Next one, that is the Amazon Q developer. Okay, free for the individuals, formerly Code Whisper. Okay, built-in security scanning. Let's check this one, Code Whisper. So yeah, it's there, but I think it's not there. This is Amazon Q, I guess. Okay, the most capable in generation. Okay, so try this one. The most capable generative AI powered system for the software and the number of downloads are pretty much good. So go and just check this one, right? The next one, that is the, this is the different one, intelligent code. That means whenever you write something, it will give you the suggestions like this tab or something. So you have to use this one. Okay. Besides this, I have some of the extensions that I'm currently using. So let's take a look. AI coding. Okay, so I'm using the Blackbox. Blackbox also helps, they it has some free agents. Okay, so I'm using that one, Blackbox. And if I just select the model, okay, so here we have the models, so you can use the free models. So they currently they have the minimax M2.5 model. Okay, the rest of them are the premium models, so if you purchase it, then you can use it. Okay, but free model is there. Next one that I'm using, that is the Codex also. So Codex is not there, but you can install into your VS Code, and it's a Chat GPT version in the VS Code, so you can do the most of your work with the help of the Codex also. Then we have the Codex is there. Sorry, this is the Codex, so you can just add it. So like it will work accordingly. Okay, I have used that one, pretty much good. Now we have the kilo code. So most importantly, the people are using that one, and it has the free version of it. So you can select the free model and start coding with it. Okay. The next one, that is Cline. We have done Roo code. The same with the Roo code is similar to the kilo, right? Or maybe I think I have checked the same logic or something. So you can just try the root code also. I think same pattern it will work. Okay, so try this one, root code also. If some agents will not work, then switch back, switch turn, and make your work done. Okay, so these are the and another one that I am using, that is also, this is GitHub Copilot. So first 30 days, it's a trial period, so you can just have it and use it. Okay, so they have the various models. Okay, so you can just try and make your coding, make it easier and increase your productivity with the help of these tools. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. I have just tell you about the VS Code extensions which can be used and can be used to make your work even faster, right? But I haven't tell you here the IDs. So currently it's a VS Code extension, so I will create a separate session on where I'm going to teach you about the what are the IDEs that you can use, okay, which have the inbuilt AI, okay. So where you can just try it whenever you stuck in heavy problems, so you can install these IDs and make sure you can do your work in that case, right? So I do where I stuck in a very big problem, so I install this premium where we have some of the free tokens where we can use and make our code more faster, right? So I'll let you know in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.